Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're working on our 2004 Volvo XC90, and I want to show you something very basic, replacing an air filter. If you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. So here we go. We're going to go right under here. We'll set our brand new air filter aside. Here's your air filter box. There's a couple little clips going around it. You just take them. You can use something like a pocket screwdriver or a regular screwdriver, or even your finger if you're strong enough. You're not worried about hurting yourself. Just move those off to the side. Look around the box. Give it a little wiggle. So along the side here and the forward end is where the clips are. On the back, it has these little things that slide into the bottom area of the housing. So all you do is lift up from the front, slide it towards the front, and then you can get right under here to the air filter. Just grab that. As you can tell, this air filter is disgusting. All right? As your engine's trying to breathe and sucking air so it can burn with the fuel, it's drawing air through your air filter and through this box, past your mass airflow, and through the air intake. And this is everything that the engine would be sucking in if the air filter wasn't there. So thank you, air filter. You did a good job, but we're going to replace you. We're going to take our brand new air filter, bring it right in under here, slide that clip out of the way. This should fit in perfectly fine, going all the way around. Just be careful for, if anything tries to make its way under there. Now on the back side of the air filter box, this is the little tab that I was talking about, one here in the center and then down the other end. They just slide right into the lower part of this box. So I like to take the box, tilt it a little bit, slide it into those, just like that. Let's see if I can get it. There it is. Take this, make sure we don't have any wires stuck underneath there. Just take our clip, lift it up, get it up on there. Same thing for this one. I like to push right down along the center of it. Right up here, same thing, right along the center, not on the tip. It doesn't really work that well there. You just go right along the center. So there we go. Just make sure it's down. It's not lifting up anywhere, especially towards the rear. Maybe those little tabs didn't go into the back. So if you give it a little lift and it doesn't lift up, you're doing all right.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.